What were you saying, Dolly, sweetie? Yes, you are a pretty girl. Just had something yummy to eat, haven't you? Just had some biscuits, some Dolly crackers. Birdie num nums. Brr. Yeah. Did you enjoy them? You've also got some banana. You got banana, didn't you? Right up the top here, a little bit of fruit. But you're not too keen on that one, Nah. Would you prefer grapes? Would you like to chat and say hello? 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 Hello, good people? Hello. Or you could say hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. You were just having a chat. I was sitting down. Oh, good night. Are you saying good night, sweetie? Little sweetie bird. Sweet. Oh, yeah. A sweet little bird. A sweet little Dolly. We love you. Yes. We do love you. Yeah. Sunny Stormy wants to say hello. Yes, Sunny Stormy says hello. Hello, Dolly. The pussycats. Yeah, for you. Hello, Dolly, to you. Sunny Stormy, can you say that? Hello, Sunny Stormy. Not this time? Maybe you could say hello another time. Yeah, hello everyone, everybody. Good, they're good. Just 5. That's good, girl. You did 5. Yay, Dolly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay, clever girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, hello, good people. Yep, they're very happy to see you. They're in the phone. That's what she's just said, I think. They're in the phone, because that's what I tell her. They're in the phone. Good people are saying hello from in the phone. I know you can't see them, sweetie. 4. Oh, that was 4. It was only 4 then. 1. 5. Good girl. Clever girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would you like to say goodbye now to the good people? Would you like to say bye, guys? Love to all. Oh, that's lovely. You did say goodbye to the good people. It's so sweet. Thank you, Dolly. Our little gecko sound. Love you, Dolly. Good night. Good. Yes, good night, Dolly. That's a pretty song. Just good night, Dolly. Yeah, you are a pretty girl. Of course, you're a pretty girl. Yes, You're a lovely girl. We love you, Dolly. Oh, let's see. We know. Now you're just being a show off, aren't you, when you do it like that? You say, hey geckos, I can do it louder, geckos. No, I can't see the geckos. Haven't come, well, they've probably come out, but they've gone back to sleep, maybe. Yeah. So shall you say goodbye, good night, good people? And then maybe I'll get some sleep too. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, sweetie, Dolly, sweet Dolly. Yeah, go to sleep, get some sleep. Go to sleep and get some sleep. Go to bed and get some sleep. Yeah, sounds good. Oh, if you wanna keep on talking, that's fine. Fair enough. I'm not gonna stop you from talking. If you're in the mood, that's great. It's like a debriefing at the end of the day, isn't it? Hey? Get to get it all out. Exactly. That's what it's like, just gonna say what's gonna be said. Yeah. That's 2. 1, 2. Okay, no, no, Dolly. You, you're just so gorgeous. And, oh, thank you. Oh, you want to come up and get closer to us, say hello? Oh, that's a lovely mood you're in. Oh, love you, sweetie. Love you, Dolly. It is a lovely night tonight, isn't it? It's not too hot, not too cold, just nice. You can have a bit of a drink of water, fair enough. Wondering why? Well, you're clever. You can drink upside down. You have so many talents, Dolly. Very, very clever, clever girl. Yeah. You want to dance? Oh, you're trying to get your banana. Well, that will keep you quiet for a while because I might actually move it for her. Oh no, she can get that. She's just playing around. If it was a grape, she would have got it. Any, oh, a real little birdie tweet then. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and love to all. God bless. Yep, and bye from. Sorry, and bye from Dolly. Dance. You want to do a dance? What is it? Intro, outro. You want to do a dance outro, Dolly? No? Okay. Bye, guys.